Hi folks, it's Jeff Slaven here, and today I want to talk about the Milwaukee Fastback Utility knife. So, if you want to know more, just stick around. So this is pretty cool, let me tell you what. So for a while now, I've been looking for a utility knife that I could use for some of my work duties. Now, for my day job, I actually make pizza bases for a living, and I'm pretty good at it. And so every day, I'm opening bags of flour, I'm breaking down boxes, and just, in general, the knife gets used a lot. Now, up until now, I've just been using a pocket knife to do this, and it works just fine. But the problem is, it gets dull after a while, and so every week or so I have to resharpen the knife blade. And I thought, I really want to get a utility knife, and I've heard lots of good things about the Milwaukee Fastback. And so I thought, okay, I'm going to pull the pin and get one. Now, when I went to Amazon to actually place my order, I found this package deal. And I thought, oh, okay, that's pretty cool, and it's only a couple of dollars more than just getting the compact, which this model is. And so I went and did that. Now, first we're going to go over the compact itself. So the body is made of a polymer, a high-impact plastic of some description, and it works just fine. Up here you're going to see your opening and closing button, and we'll get into that shortly. Back here, we've got a landing loop. On the back, you've got this very robust wire clip, and it really holds it onto your pocket. Now to open the knife, you simply press that button and it sort of gravity opens. Now right here you see a little button, and what that does is it holds the blade locked into place. And so if you need to turn the blade around or change it, that's how you would do it. And it takes just the normal standard utility blades. To close the knife, push the button again, and it closes. And it locks closed as well as locks open. Now it's very comfortable in the hand, and it makes short work of flour bags and breaking down boxes. I really enjoy it. It's not a lot of money, and yeah, good stuff. Now here is its bigger brother. As I said, this was the package deal. I'll put that right side up so it looks better. And when we come back, we're going to talk about it. See you in a sec. So the compact is great, and it does everything that I need it to do. Pretty damn happy with it. But, as I said, Amazon was having this package deal, and they sent the big brother as well, which was the Milwaukee 6-in-1. And so we're going to go over this real quick. You can see basically the same wire clip on it there, and a few other changes. Now this is actually made of an alloy instead of the high impact polymer that the compact is. So we've got that same the same pocket clip there. Up here, we have a bottle opener, which officially makes it a multi-tool, because, as you know, there's no such thing as a multi-tool that doesn't have a bottle opener. Okay, as well, here we have a screwdriver. It's got a half stop there, opens all the way, and it locks into place. And so it's a liner lock, as you can see there. And that's pretty darn nice. Now the screwdriver itself comes with this 1/4-inch bit, hex drive, and it will take your standard hex drives, and it even works really well with my 2-dimensional Leatherman bits. And just on its own, without the bit in there, it gives you a really nice 1/4-inch socket drive. And that locks in there real nice and secure. So that's pretty cool. If you're looking for something that does utility knife stuff, as well as gives you some multi-tool sort of features. And we'll close it up. So that half stop does not lock, but it is great if you need to torque down to tighten or loosen any screws or bolts. Okay, we have the button opening and closing as well on this. Once we're open, you'll see the same procedure there for changing the blade. Down here, we have a wire stripper function, and that works really great. Now, another little trick that it's got inside here, you'll see that it has storage for a spare blade. And there's a little tab here which holds it locked into place. And you just pull on that tab and you can remove the spare blade. And just push it. It's a little bit hard to do in front of the camera. And that will lock into place again. Again, on the back here, we have another lanyard loop, or lanyard hole, and closing it just like so. So, I was originally after the compact, which I love, and I threw in as well the bigger brother, which is the 6-in-1. Now, would I EDC this? Would I carry it in my pocket every day? For me, probably not. And the only reason for that is because I always have a dedicated multi-tool on me 24/7, usually being 1 or 2 of my Leathermans. But if I didn't carry the Leathermans, I would have no hesitation with carrying that in my pocket. This is in my pocket every day. It's a bit smaller. It's a bit easier for pocket carry, for me anyway. And it's great. So, I mean, it's in the pockets of lots of farmers, lots of construction workers, lots of truckers, and of course people like me that are constantly opening flower bags and boxes and things of that description. So if you're in the market for something like that, I can personally recommend the Milwaukee Fastback, whichever version you like. There's a few of them out there. They're not very expensive. They come with a lifetime warranty. Go and get you one. Alright folks, that's going to do it for me today. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.